Home maintenance, replacing a door switch. We've got a new door switch here that has 3 connecting terminals, and the old switch has only 2 terminals. So in order to figure out which 2 terminals you're supposed to use on the new one, we're using an ohm meter, and we're connecting it to the right now to the 2 outside terminals, and then we push the button on the door switch, and then the ohm meter comes on. That means it's the 2 outside terminals that are the terminals for the switch, and the center terminal is not used. And here's a picture of the old door switch. You can see there's just 2 terminals on there. It's the just like the new switch, it's the 2 outside terminals, and the center terminal is not used. And so this dryer only has 2 wires that connects onto the terminal, and so you just connect those 2 wires onto the 2 outside spade terminals there. And this is an old dryer, and the terminals are loose. You can see here when I try to put them on, they just come right off of the connectors there. So what you do is you just tighten them up using a pair of pliers. So if you have a spade connector that doesn't fit, if it's too loose when you put it on, then you just crimp it on the back side like so, like this. Just crimp it with the pliers, and then go to the back side over here, and then crimp that with the pliers, and then that will allow it to slide on, and then as it slides on it gets tighter since you've crimped the back side here. You don't want to crimp the front end, because if you crimp this down and it's tighter, then it'd be very difficult to slide onto the spade part of the connector. So you leave this side open and just crimp the back side of it back here. Then it'll stay tighter on the connector. And then there's the 2 connectors onto the door switch, and that's basically how you put a 3 terminal door switch on an old dryer that has a door switch with only 2 terminals. Okay, thanks for watching.